We're here at Raisa Ulu Pool. Wow. Mawa just jumped in. Siri. There's Lole there, can't even swim. Mika!
Oh.
What's up?
What's up? What?
This is the swimming pool at Raisa Ulu. There's Sammy back there. Go dive! Dive! 3, 2, 1, jump! Ah! Mika, Siri, and Mawa. Hey!
Howdy.
Siri up there.
You wanna give me some vodka?
Look at my pocket.
There's Lole down there. We came earlier on in the day and it was deep, like right up to the edge. Lole couldn't swim. That was Terry just in. I think Ma was getting ready for a plunge. Ooh, Mawa.
Go!
3, 2. Oh. Lole done a sting one.